Today we're taking an in-depth look at one of the most versatile dash cams available in 2026. This is the 4K 10.26-inch Carplay and Android Auto dash cam, featuring a rotating 360-degree front camera, 5G Wi-Fi, GPS navigation, and a wide touch display that brings modern convenience to any vehicle. The highlight of this device is the 360-degree rotating camera, which allows you to record the road ahead or rotate the lens to monitor the inside of your vehicle. This is especially useful for parents who want to keep an eye on a baby in the back seat, rideshare drivers, or anyone who wants full cabin monitoring. The dash cam records in crystal-clear 4K resolution, capturing every detail, day or night. With loop recording, the system automatically overwrites old footage once the memory card is full, ensuring continuous recording without interruptions. In the event of hard braking or a collision, the emergency recording function locks important video clips so they cannot be overwritten. The built-in CarPlay and Android Auto features allow you to enjoy navigation, music, calls, and messaging directly from the 10.26-inch screen. The interface is responsive, intuitive, and designed to improve your daily driving experience. Combined with 5G Wi-Fi and GPS navigation, you get fast, reliable connectivity for maps and multimedia. One of the most useful features is the real-time reversing view. When you shift into reverse, the DVR automatically switches to the rear camera, giving you a clear and wide view to assist with parking and maneuvering. This device also supports FM and AUX output, allowing you to transmit audio directly to your car speakers. Whether you're navigating, recording, or multitasking, the system is designed for smooth, safe operation. If you want a powerful dashboard upgrade with 4K video, 360-degree rotation, CarPlay, Android Auto, GPS, and emergency protection, this 10.26-inch dash cam is an excellent choice.